Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. Today I'm unboxing a cotton field jacket from Hockerty. Let's go! So Hockerty is probably best known for their shirts, for their made-to-measure custom shirts and for their made-to-measure suits. Their obvious thing when you visit their website is the prices are very low. They manage that by using fabrics that aren't the best quality, so they often have wool blends or linen blends, linen and cotton, stuff like that, but there are some very nice fabrics in their portfolio, and they manage that by producing all their clothing in China. They introduced their field jackets made of polyester or cotton or linen a couple of weeks ago, maybe 8 weeks or 10 weeks or something, and I reached out to them and asked them, hey, can I try one of these? And they said, yes, sure. We give you a coupon code, you just use the customizer to make the field jacket as you want it, and I did that. I decided to go for a 100% cotton fabric that is waterproof. And and then I ordered it with the coupon code. I didn't pay anything, but they also didn't pay me anything. So this is the unboxing of this field jacket. They said that they would need 15 days for delivery. It took longer, as always with Hockerty. It always takes longer than they promise. This time it was, I believe, 21 days or 22, so not that much longer, but still. Just say we need 25 days and everybody is happy because the stuff arrives earlier, but saying, hey, 15 days is enough for us and it actually takes about a week longer, that's not very nice in my opinion. Good. So this arrived in a very, very nice bag. I don't remember that my suits from Hockerty arrived in such a bag. This is actually very cool. I like it very much. It can be closed here on top and opened again. That's very nice. I really like it. And then we have the field jacket in here. Here's a flyer about their new custom shoes. These are custom but not made to measure, so these are standard sizes, but you can choose like the leather type and the laces and things like these. So it's pretty similar to Undandy. If you're interested in that, I can also try the Hockerty shoe making option. If you want me to try it, just write a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And another flyer with some with some information about how to wash their clothing. Very nice. And some thank you and guarantee stuff. And here we have the field jacket. The fabric feels way nicer than I expected. It's a very sturdy cotton fabric, but you can absolutely feel that this is 100% cotton. This is very good. That's a very good fabric. I really like it. So let's remove the paper, and so this is really heavy actually. I expected that to be like a waterproof cotton overshirt or something, but this is really a jacket. You can feel that this is a jacket. This has some structure in the shoulder area, probably because of the lining, and now there is no real shoulder padding, but it somehow gives a little bit of structure in the shoulder area. And the fabric is very heavy, and I think the jacket is fully, no, it's not actually fully lined, or am I wrong? No, it's actually like butterfly lined, so with a little bit of lining on top, but nothing down here. Keeping that in mind, this is quite surprising how heavy that jacket is. Awesome. The buttons are plastic, absolutely, but they look quite nice in my opinion. They are black with some brown elements. And we also have a zipper on. Okay, the zipper feels very qualitative. Yeah, I like this. Yeah. So my first impression is, to be honest, this jacket is way nicer than I expected. With Hockerty, it's for me always been hit or miss somehow. Some fabrics are very good, some fabrics are just not that good. They wrinkle very easily, or they just don't feel very well, or they get off-colored after a couple of washes when it comes to shirts. So same with the fit. They sometimes have orders where they nailed my fit absolutely, better than some way more expensive made-to-measure services. But there are also orders where some stuff is way too tight, or where one shirt fits very well and one shirt is extremely roomy. Same goes for their suits, to be honest. The only thing I only had good experience with is their overcoats, and it seems like this is a similar product to these overcoats, because the fabric feels very well. The stitching, I can't see any bad stitches or something. I can't say anything bad about this field jacket by now. I haven't tried it on yet, of course I will do that in a second. But just from the fabric, from the styling, how they made the jacket, this is very, very good. Also with the bag it comes in. Honestly, this is worth its money, in my opinion. I will try it on now. I will see how they manage to make it fit, and then I will come back to my final verdict. So here I am again. You have just seen some material, some b-roll of me wearing this jacket. What I noticed right at the start is that this jacket is longer than I expected, and I really like that, because I don't like my jackets, especially not with suit jackets or odd jackets, but also jackets like this, I don't like them to be too short, and this one is very, very long actually, way longer than I expected, and I like this very much. The sleeves are a bit tight, still absolutely wearable, of course, but they are a bit tight. They could be a bit roomier with a bit more space. But in the shoulder area, the jacket fits perfectly, to be honest. So if you want to see some images, some pictures of me wearing this field jacket, feel free to follow my Instagram account. It's @sartorialstylescom. If you want to order one of these field jackets yourself, feel free to head down to the video description. I put a link in there with the exact details that I chose to make the jacket look like that. Yeah, and that's it again. Thank you very much for watching. Here are 2 other videos on my channel that you can watch if you want, and down there you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice time and see you next week.